Thank you. Rogue Creamery is very blessed and honored to be here. I want to appreciate everybody who has a hand in this. It's a huge collaboration, as many folks have reiterated. Again, it's a huge honor. On behalf of the colleagues of mine at Rogue Creamery, I'd like to begin by recognizing the outstanding leadership provided by the Oregon Dairy Nutrition Council. Stacy Foster, who's here with us tonight, thank you. Ann Getzy, and then everybody else who's been involved, we really appreciate that as well. Your commitment to sustainability and nutrition and dairy is huge, not only to Rogue Creamery, but to the state of Oregon, and we really appreciate your work. I've worked as Rogue Creamery's dairy farm manager for 3 years, but my experience started in 29 years ago when I was born onto the Snap Dairy. And my family has been milking cows for over 100 years. We're on generation 8, I'm generation 7. And it's that is what has put it into me to continue forwards with sustainability, the new things that my family maybe didn't take on or ever considered, but it's that drive that put me to Rogue and put me into this. Now that it's 2021, I'm deeply proud to be standing in front of you today. Rogue Creamery is dedicated to building a more resilient future for our planet and our community. And that commitment is visible at every level of our business, every department, every single member of Rogue Creamery's team is invested in how we as individuals and as a company can improve our impact and inspire others to do the same. The mission starts at our dairy farm, where we recognize our cow's health begins with our soil health. So we have programs in place to build nutrient-rich topsoil, repurpose wastewater, and decrease water runoff, and preserve our water resources. Overall, to ensure the land that feeds us in a better condition than it did years ago and how it was years ago. The same commitment extends to all parts of our business, our cheese-making factory, and to our ongoing caves, to our warehouse, and to our packaging facility as well. We ask ourselves, how can we do better? What can each of us do to improve quality, reduce waste, emissions, give support to those in our community who need it most? From the bottom of my heart, I thank you for being here today and for considering how you can do better too. What will the dairy industry look like 7 generations from now? The answer is for each and every one of us to decide. Please join me and Rogue Creamery in creating not only the best cheese, but the best future we can. Thank you.